I know it doesn't seem that way, but maybe it's the perfect day. Even though the bills are piling, and maybe Lady Luck ain't smiling, but if we'd only open our eyes, we'd see the blessings in disguise, that all the rain clouds are fountains, though our troubles seem like mountains. There's gold in them hills, there's gold in them hills. So don't lose heart, give the day a chance to start. Every now and then life says, where'd you think you're going so fast? We're apt to think it's cruel, but sometimes it's a case of cruel to be kind. And if we'd get up off our knees, then we'd see the forest for the trees, then we'd see the new sun rising over the hills on the horizon. There's gold in them hills, there's gold in them hills. So don't lose